5 sweet fruits diabetics can eat without spiking blood sugar levels. Managing diabetes is a complex journey, with diet playing a central role. There's a common belief that if you have diabetes, you should avoid certain foods because they're too sweet. While some fruits contain more natural sugar than others, that doesn't mean you can't enjoy them if you're diabetic. Like many of you, I don't want to give up the natural sweetness and rich nutrients that fruits provide. They're a refreshing oasis in our daily meals. In today's video, I'll introduce you to 5 delicious fruits that let you savor sweetness while empowering you to make smart choices that can truly be a game changer in effectively managing glucose levels. And that's not all. I'll also share some creative ways to enjoy these fruits, helping you make them an essential part of a healthy diet. Stay tuned until the end so you don't miss any exciting details. Number 1, Jabuticaba. Meet Jabuticaba, the mysterious tropical fruit you've probably never heard of, but I bet you'll want to try as soon as you learn about its surprising benefits. With its striking appearance, Jabuticaba is the perfect best friend for anyone concerned about blood sugar levels, offering a naturally sweet snack that won't cause a spike. Native to the lush rainforests of South America, this fruit is beloved and nicknamed the fruit of longevity. Can you picture it? Jabuticaba grows directly on the tree trunk, like little black-purple gems glistening in the sunlight. It's hand-harvested, which makes it rare and even more special. So, what makes this fruit worth trying? First off, it's packed with anthocyanins, powerful antioxidants that protect your body from cellular damage and reduce inflammation. If you're worried about meals that cause blood sugar spikes, Jabuticaba is an excellent choice. With a low glycemic index and plenty of soluble fiber, it not only helps stabilize glucose levels but also slows sugar absorption, keeping you feeling full longer and curbing those unexpected snack cravings. But it doesn't stop there. Jabuticaba is rich in vitamin C, giving your immune system a boost, especially during flu season. Plus, its potassium content supports healthy blood pressure, and natural iron keeps fatigue and low energy at bay. It's truly a nutritional feast. So, how can you enjoy Jabuticaba? The simplest way is to eat it fresh. Its mildly sweet, slightly tangy taste will win you over on the first try. Feeling adventurous? Blend it into a smoothie with almond milk or Greek yogurt. And for those who love unique culinary experiences, fermented Jabuticaba wine is a Brazilian specialty worth sampling. This fruit also comes with fascinating stories. Did you know Jabuticaba is often called the tropical grape because of its unique growth pattern and flavor reminiscent of black grapes? In traditional medicine, it's used to treat gastrointestinal infections thanks to its natural antibacterial properties. Modern studies even suggest that Jabuticaba extract might help inhibit the growth of cancer cells. If you're curious to try Jabuticaba, you don't need to travel to South America to find it. In the US, you can check out Latin supermarkets like Sedano's in Miami or Viva Supermarket in California. Alternatively, look for it on specialty tropical food e-commerce sites. Sometimes you'll find both fresh fruit and Jabuticaba powder for making drinks. Just remember, the best time to buy is during its peak harvest season, from September to November. Jabuticaba truly is a natural wonder, but don't think this is the only fruit you need to know about for managing diabetes. Up next, I'll introduce you to another tiny yet mighty fruit whose impact might surprise you. Let's keep this journey going. Number 2, blueberries. Don't let their small size fool you. Blueberries are a true superfood, packed with immense power for your health. If you're looking for a fruit that could change the game with your blood sugar readings, blueberries are exactly what you need. Native to North America, this tiny fruit was beloved by indigenous peoples and called Little Star due to its unique shape at the top. Today, blueberries are not only popular across many U.S. states but are also widely cultivated around the world. What really makes blueberries shine, though, are their incredible nutritional benefits. The high anthocyanin content gives them their deep blue color and powerful antioxidant properties, protecting cells from damage. With a low glycemic index and the ability to enhance insulin sensitivity, blueberries are an ideal choice for diabetics, helping maintain stable blood sugar levels. Additionally, blueberries are a great source of vitamin C, K, and manganese, which help boost immunity, support bone health, and improve brain function. Let's not forget about the fiber content, which aids digestion and helps you avoid those pesky cravings. If you're concerned about heart health, blueberries could be your heart guard. Studies show that regularly eating blueberries not only lowers bad cholesterol but also boosts good cholesterol. Meanwhile, their anti-inflammatory compounds help reduce the risk of diabetes-related complications, particularly cardiovascular diseases. So, how can you enjoy blueberries to get the most benefits? Fresh blueberries are a fantastic addition to your breakfast or a perfect midday snack. You can also blend them into a smoothie with unsweetened Greek yogurt or sprinkle them on cereal for a healthy energy boost. Feeling creative? Try making low-sugar jam or healthy blueberry muffins, you're sure to love it. Blueberries don't just deliver on taste, they have fascinating stories, too. During World War II, British pilots were given blueberries to improve their night vision, proof of the powerful benefits of anthocyanins. Even frozen blueberries retain 95% of their nutritional value compared to fresh ones, making them easy to store and use year-round. Wondering where to find blueberries? Head to big supermarkets like Walmart, Whole Foods, or Trader Joe's, where you can grab fresh blueberries in the summer months from June to August. For added convenience, you can find fresh, frozen, or dried blueberries online through platforms like Amazon or Instacart, usually priced between $3 to $5 a box. Small but mighty, blueberries are truly a silent hero in your diet. But if you think blueberries are amazing, just wait until you discover the next fruit, another sweet surprise with unexpected benefits. You won't want to miss it. Number 3, an apple a day, the perfect guardian for diabetics. An apple a day doesn't just keep the doctor away, it's the perfect guardian for diabetics too. Let's dive into why this humble fruit has earned its place as a superhero in your diet. Apples are one of the oldest fruits in the world, cultivated for over 4,000 years and originally from Central Asia. Did you know that apples are not only a food but also symbols of health and wisdom in many cultures? Today, the US is one of the largest apple producers, and fortunately, we can find them year-round. One of the standout features of apples is pectin, a type of soluble fiber found in apples. For diabetics, pectin is the ideal companion, helping to slow down the digestion of carbohydrates, which in turn helps regulate blood sugar levels effectively. This is crucial in preventing sudden blood sugar spikes. Even better, apples have a low glycemic index, GI, ranging from about 36 to 40, so you can enjoy them without worrying about negative health effects. Apples are also loaded with essential vitamins and minerals. Vitamin C boosts your immune system, keeping you healthy, especially during the cold months. The potassium in apples helps regulate blood pressure, reducing the risk of heart disease, one of the common complications for diabetics. Additionally, apples contain polyphenol, powerful antioxidants that protect the body from cellular damage caused by free radicals, helping to prevent aging and chronic diseases. But did you know not all apples are created equal? For diabetics, Granny Smith apples are the best choice, as they have the lowest sugar content and a mildly tart flavor that's great for stimulating your taste buds. If you prefer something sweeter, Fuji and Gala apples are also excellent options. You can enjoy apples fresh, wash them well, and eat the skin to get the most nutrients, especially fiber and antioxidants concentrated in the peel. Want to make your breakfast more interesting? Try slicing apples and tossing them with leafy greens, walnuts, or olive oil dressing for a delicious, heart-healthy salad. You can also bake apples with a sprinkle of cinnamon for a healthy, low-sugar dessert. And don't forget, apples are a fantastic ingredient for juice. Combine them with celery and cucumber for a refreshing, nutritious drink. Apples also come with an interesting story from World War II. They were a staple food for American soldiers, easy to carry and quick to provide energy. Plus, just one medium apple contains 4 g of fiber, which meets about 15% of your daily fiber needs. You can easily find apples at any major supermarket. If you want to support local produce, check out farmers' markets during harvest season from September to November for the freshest apples. For convenience, websites like Amazon Fresh or Instacart can deliver apples straight to your door, priced from $1.5 to $3 per pound. Apples truly are a wonderful, sweet, health-boosting fruit. But if you think apples are amazing, just wait until you discover the next fruit. With its refreshing flavor and unexpected health benefits, you won't be able to resist. Don't miss out. Number 4, pears, the natural cooling nutrient for a healthy body. With their delicate, juicy flavor, pears are the ideal fruit for those looking to manage blood sugar and take care of their overall health. Pears have a long history, over 3,000 years, originating in Asia and Europe, but today they're an essential part of the American fruit scene, with varieties like Bartlett, Anjou, and Bosc widely cultivated. Unlike apples, pears are softer, juicier, and deliver a refreshing feeling every time you bite into one. When it comes to nutrition, pears truly shine with their high water content. 84% of their weight is water, naturally hydrating and cooling your body. A medium-sized pear provides about 6 g of fiber, which is no small feat, as it meets more than 20% of your daily fiber needs, aiding digestion and keeping blood sugar levels stable. In addition, pears are packed with important vitamins and minerals like vitamin C to boost your immune system, vitamin K to keep your bones strong, and potassium to support cardiovascular health. With a low glycemic index, around 30 to 40, pears are an excellent choice for diabetics. But that's not all. Pears offer some special health benefits. The soluble fiber in pears helps slow down the digestion of carbohydrates, keeping your blood sugar levels under control. Additionally, pears contain natural flavonoid compounds that help reduce inflammation, a common cause of diabetic complications. If you're looking to lose weight, pears are your silent hero, because the water and fiber content will keep you feeling full longer and curb sudden cravings. So, which pear should you choose? Bartlett pears, with their sweet, juicy flesh, are perfect for eating fresh. If you prefer a crisp, subtly fragrant pear, Anjou pears are great for salads. For a richer flavor, Bosc pears are ideal for roasting or dessert recipes. Don't worry if you want to get creative. Try roasting pears with cinnamon and honey, or make a pear juice blend with a little ginger and lemon for an extra burst of flavor. Did you know that ancient Greeks used pears to soothe sore throats, thanks to their natural cooling properties? Or that studies show eating pears regularly can reduce the risk of type 2 diabetes by up to 18%? Buying pears is super easy. For the freshest pears, visit farmers markets during harvest season, from August to October. And if you prefer convenience, e-commerce sites are ready to deliver organic pears straight to your door for a reasonable price, starting at just $1 to $2 per pound. Pears are truly a sweet gift from nature. Not only do they help control blood sugar, but they also offer a refreshing bite with every piece. But if you think pears are great, wait until you discover the next fruit. It combines a bold balance of tangy sweetness and vibrant color that will not only surprise you but change the way you think about nutrition. Curious to find out what it is? Let's dive in now. Number 5, kiwi, the fuzzy gem of nature. Don't let its fuzzy exterior fool you. With its unique flavor that blends a subtle tartness with a gentle sweetness, kiwi delights the taste buds and offers incredible health benefits for diabetics. Known as the Chinese gooseberry, kiwi traveled from Asia to New Zealand, where it was named after the beloved kiwi bird. Since then, it's captured the hearts of people worldwide with its vibrant color and outstanding nutritional profile. A small kiwi packs twice the amount of vitamin C as an orange, boosting your immune system and protecting your body from free radicals. But that's not all. Kiwi is also rich in soluble fiber, which aids digestion and slows down sugar absorption, exactly what anyone with diabetes needs. Additionally, kiwi has a secret weapon that few fruits possess, the enzyme actinidin. This enzyme not only supports protein digestion but also helps reduce the feeling of fullness after meals. With a low glycemic index, GI around 50, kiwi is a perfect choice for maintaining stable blood sugar levels. Minerals like potassium help regulate blood pressure, while folate nourishes the nervous system and cells, an important benefit for pregnant women. Did you know kiwi can also support your mind? Studies show that kiwi can improve sleep quality due to its natural serotonin content. If you struggle with insomnia, eating 2 kiwis before bedtime can help you sleep more soundly and wake up feeling refreshed. Kiwi is also rich in vitamin B6, which supports the production of neurotransmitters like serotonin and dopamine, improving mood and reducing stress. In addition, kiwi is considered a beauty elixir, thanks to its powerful antioxidant properties from vitamins C and E. These nutrients protect your skin from UV damage and free radicals while promoting collagen production, helping keep your skin smooth and elastic. The anthocyanin in red kiwi is an excellent anti-aging compound that gives your skin a radiant glow from the inside out. Wondering which type of kiwi to pick? The most common variety, the green kiwi, has a perfectly balanced tart-sweet flavor that fits easily into many dishes. If you prefer a sweeter taste, the golden kiwi is your ideal choice. And if you're lucky enough to find red kiwi, you're in for a rare treat, as it features a distinctive red ring with a high anthocyanin content, delivering powerful antioxidant benefits. Kiwi is incredibly versatile in how you enjoy it. You can eat it whole, skin and all. After washing it, the skin is not only edible but also packed with fiber and vitamins. For a unique breakfast, add sliced kiwi to your oatmeal or make a smoothie with banana and Greek yogurt. You can also make a fruit salad with kiwi, strawberries, and blueberries to boost your nutrition. Kiwi even makes a perfect topping for cakes, parfaits, or cocktails. Kiwi truly is a special fruit with benefits that go far beyond its appearance. But the journey of exploring sweet fruits for diabetics isn't over yet. Take a look back at this list to find the fruit that's right for you. And remember, each of these fruits brings its own unique miracle that your body will love.